Amphenol ICC's Minitek Pwr 5.7 is a flexible and comprehensive connector system for high-current, wire-to-board applications. The contacts are made of a high-conductivity copper with tin or gold plating, with a current rating up to 23 amps per contact and an initial resistance of 2 milliohms max. Housings are offered in a dual-row configuration with 2 to 24 circuits on 5.7mm centerline spacing. Polarized mating geometry ensures proper installation, and a positive latch on the housing provides secure mating. Amphenol ICC Minitek Pwr 5.7 connectors have a -40 to +105°C operating temperature and are glow wire compliant. They can be used in consumer electronics, household appliances, communications equipment, medical devices, and military applications.